Hello, Miss McClendon. My name is Zaire Cowan, as you should know, and today I will be doing my science fair project on sound density and how it works in speakers and how it can work in household objects like pots, pans, cups, or even teapots, if your phone fits inside the teapot. Now, today, I will be putting my phone inside this pot, these two pots, at 150%. And I will be telling if if it could work on louder sounds like rushing water coming out of a faucet, or even while you're in the shower, or if you have construction outside your house or not. That is just an example. I'm sorry. And here it goes. Okay, that is what it sounds like on 100% inside the pot. Now, let's see what it sounds like on 50%. Will will it be loud, or will it be moderately quiet and loud? Let's see. Sounds more quiet and low on 50%. It doesn't. It's not even loud, because you can barely hear it from where I'm at. There, that is big pot. That is the big pot on 100% volume and 50% volume. Now I will be doing this with this small pot right here and seeing if it will be louder than the big pot, or it will be lower than the big pot, but still be useful on 150% volume, of course. That's what it sounds like 100% inside the small pot. Now, that's 100%. Now let's see what it sounds like on 50%. Now that I have the phone on 50% volume, I will be putting it inside the big pot and seeing it, the small pot, and seeing if it will be loud or be the same as what the big pot did on 50% volume. Here it goes. 50%, it sounds like it's louder than the big pot. Now, let me explain why it is louder. Since the big pot is big and wide, it takes the sound more effort to get out and echo. But since the small pot is smaller and a little bit narrow than the big pot, it doesn't have to do that much work to get outside the small pot and echo loud enough. My name is Zaire Cowan, and this is my science project.